A big one, that is for sure. The snow began in the pre-dawn hours of Sunday. It wound down Sunday evening, and when all is said and done, a lot of us got 12 to 18 inches worth of snow, especially from around Interstate 80 on south. North of I-80, it was more common to see 8, 9, 10, 11 inches worth of snow. Either way, it was a lot of snow. It was a real pain to deal with last night and this morning as a lot of us tried to dig out and head to work today. The list of biggest, just one day, calendar day, snow totals. The airport officially just over 10 inches, so kind of in the middle of this list. But some of us, of course, had quite a bit more than that. And this kind of rivals a few of our notable snowstorms in the last few decades. This storm got the moniker Snowmageddon back in 2010. This was in February. Washington, D.C. particularly was hit hard with this. But in our viewing area, especially south of the airport, so where the official numbers are kept, it was pretty common back in February of 2010 to see 10 to 20 inches. And a lot of us remember the superstorm or storm of the century back in March of 1993. This brought 20 to 30 inches of snow to a lot of interior Pennsylvania. Around here was pretty common to see 10 or 20 inches out of that storm. Our official number at the airport, again, just a little over 10 inches, and that is the official snow depth at the Youngstown-Warren Regional Airport. 11 over in Akron, 10 inches in Pittsburgh. This snow is going nowhere in a hurry. It'll compact a little bit, but it's certainly not going to do much melting over the next several days. Basically, through the weekend, the same amount of snow expected to be on the ground about a week from right now, because it's, of course, going to be very, very cold over the coming days. Now, Lake Erie has been freezing up in a hurry. The ice coverage on Lake Erie up to 92%. That's pretty high, but it's not quite enough to completely shut down the lake effect machine. There can still be some moisture that gets picked up off the lake and deposited in our region. We did have a little sneaky snow shower that just moved through Niles over the last hour or so and dropped a quick coating of snow. These flurries will fade away pretty quickly this evening. This is the scene in Mahoning County, 680 and South Avenue on our Briarfield Healthcare Center's weather camera. That's a major road, and of course it's doing a lot better than 24 hours ago. Cold night tonight, very cold. In fact, 3 below zero for the air temperature. The wind chill 20 or 25 below heading out the door tomorrow morning. And speaking of tomorrow morning, the clouds roll in quickly. Some flurries and even a snow shower around. I can see where we get a coating to an inch worth of snow in some spots before the midday hours are through tomorrow. Maybe another coating to an inch towards evening with a little uptick in snow shower activity. This is another Arctic front pushing in, and temperatures will struggle. 14 tomorrow afternoon in the wake of that Arctic front. Not as much wind tomorrow night, but the actual temperature will be colder tomorrow night. So again, the snow, mostly not a big deal tomorrow. Watch for a few slick spots, especially around lunchtime and towards dinner time as well. And then the rest of the week, quiet but cold. We have no break coming from this cold weather, that is for sure. Overnight lows, it'll be common to see temperatures way below zero. Daytime highs no better than the teens. We might finally crack 20 by next Monday, but I don't think we see the freezing mark maybe until sometime in mid-February.
Wow.
I mean, this is going to be a long, long stretch of cold.
The school districts are seeing that forecast, thinking we may have some more snow days ahead.
I think so.
Thanks, Sarah. Here's a check of what's trending tonight on our